Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create solar study in Revit. So the first step we need to do is set the project location. To accomplish that, go to Manage tab, select Location, and here using Internet Mapping Service, you have to connect to the internet and you can search whatever place you want here, and then you can place the project location accordingly. So I'm just gonna take random place and I'm gonna click OK. So here I've set my project location. The next thing I need to do is turn the shadow on, and then on the view control bar again, the sun paths, go and turn on the sun paths and continue with the current settings. Here now the sun path is available and I can click and I can change the size here, and I'm gonna make it 100 to make it somehow smaller. So now I can start doing my solar study. So go click on here and click on solar study. So now a couple panels are available for us to manipulate the solar study. So here the study type is set to lighting, so I'm gonna change it to still image, single or multi-day study type. So let's start with still image. So here on the presets and data, the presets are already set to still, and I can change the date here by sliding or just entering a value here, and the time like so. I can change it, and the other display settings are for shadow intensity and sunlight intensity. So likewise I can do for those also, and we can see the effect by closing enough to the model, and I can slide it, the shadow intensity and also the sunlight intensity. Actually this sunlight intensity display is not that much effect on this graphic display. It's more of visible on realistic mode. So let's make it realistic and see the effect. So now I'm gonna turn it to 0, and if I increase I can see the effect on the model. So let's go back to headline, and now let's just make the study type for a single day, and now I can play preview. So now the other thing is still date and time is now unable to change on here, but I can do it with the sun settings here, and I can enter a date I want and also the time I want, and I can check this one, say sunrise to sunset, and the time interval is 15 minutes. Let's click OK. So on the sun setting I can play some settings on it. So let's play this one. So it's set to sunrise to sunset, and the other things are done. And the other thing for the presets, there are also a couple more things on the presets, and I can create my own thing. Let's say it's the solar study set to still, and there are summer solstice and other things are there. And if I want to create my own presets, I can duplicate the one that's already available, and I can give it a name, something like that I want, and I can change the day and the time I want, and I can just click OK, and I can on the preset it is now available from here. So yeah, let's go back to single day study, and for the sun setting let's go back to the previous one, or click OK. Now let's see how it looks. It's good. Let's stop the loop, and also let's export this solar study now. So go to File, Export, highlight Export, and down here image and animation, there's solar studies available. So click on solar study, and here a couple more properties are there. So I'm okay with the default one. In the tab, the total time is 4 seconds, and the visual style is set to hit a line. I'm okay with that. Click OK. Choose the location that I want to save. Let's save it on desktop, and Villa Suite, one Villa Suite. Let's save it. Click OK. I can see the preview while it's exporting. Now the export is finished, so let's go to the video. Here is the exported video animation. Click on it. Here is our solar study, or